Welcome, and thank you for joining me as we explore our backyard bird feeders. Our cost is your gain. Save money watching our birds. Eat from our lovely bird feeders. You don't even have to refill or maintain them. Just tune in here and watch our birds anytime you get the urge to buy a bird feeder. So, good day, folks. We are here at the bird feeder, and we are feeding these birds Pennington from the Bird People. This is wild bird feed, people. It attracts a wide variety of birds. If you look at the back panel, you'll see it attracts cardinals and gold finches. It says it's a favorite. Tilt mice, doves, downy woodpeckers, goosebeaks, and nuthatches.